Hey guys, it's Brie the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. We're going to be going over the best digital coupon deals that you can do this week at CVS. And if you do all the deals in this video, you're going to be able to score $157 worth of a variety of products for $29. We are going to be using some different cashback apps as well to earn cash back. So I'm going to be explaining all of that to you, how to stack coupons with rewards and get cash back for the very best deals. So if you guys are new to the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Take a second, hit that red subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of the channel, and it's completely free. That way you don't miss out on any easy deals that I share with you guys every single week. So let's go ahead and dive right in. First, I want to go over really quick some key terms that I'm going to be putting in this video. A CRT is a store coupon. So you can stack a store coupon with a manufacturer coupon to get even more savings. So these do vary by account. So you may have a different value, you may have a different CRT, you may not have it. So always double check your account and update your breakdown before you go to the store. That way you know exactly what you're going to be doing, what your final cost is going to be, so that way you know if it's a good deal for you to do or not. And I put in there ECB, which is just an abbreviation for extra buck. So here's a tip. You can always pay with extra bucks when you go in store and you're couponing, regardless of if it's a buy deal or if it's a spend deal. The only things that you can't pay with extra bucks on is going to be like a gift card promotion, or I think like alcohol, cigarettes, I think dairy as well for some reason, but there's only a few select products and things that you cannot pay with extra bucks. But otherwise, every single deal in this video, you can always pay with extra bucks to lower your costs, which I obviously highly recommend doing. Okay, now for the deals. First, we're going to talk about the spend 30, get a $10 extra back. There are tons of products included. Here's just one example, and this is the deal that I'm going to do personally. My husband has been using the Total Body deodorant from Old Spice, and he's been loving it, so gotta stock up on some more. So I'm going to grab two of those. They're buy one, get one half off. One Tide Pods and one Downy. They're both on sale for $5.49 each. That brings me to $33.46. We have a $1 Downy digital, a $1 Tide Pods digital, and a 7 off 2 Old Spice Total Body digital coupon. You'll pay $24.46. You're going to earn back a $10 extra back. Then we're submitting our receipt to Fetch Rewards. If you're new to Fetch Rewards, you can use my code J24VT. You're going to earn additional points when you scan your first receipt. So this is the easiest rebate app that I use. All you're doing is taking a quick photo of your receipt and earning points. You can exchange those points for gift cards, and they offer gift cards to CVS, which I am using in today's haul. So you'll earn 1,000 points back for spending 15, which is $1, and another rebate for 1,500 points each, which is $1.50 back per Old Spice, or $3 back. And on Ibotta, there's $1 cash back each on the Old Spice. Makes your final cost $8.46 for 4 products, or $2.11 each, which is a steal for these products. Next is CoverGirl. They are buy 2, get a $6 extra back. So cheapest product, as always, is going to be the eye pencils at $5.79. Every single person can do this exact deal because we all got this mystery coupon like you see right in the weekly ad. You'll pay $6.58, get back a $6 extra buck, makes it 58 cents for 2. Or you can always just grab one at $5.79, use the $5 mystery coupon, you'll pay 79 cents for 1. Shea Moisture is a really good deal as well. It works on a variety of different products, but I am stocking up on whole body deodorant today. So grabbing 2 of those, they're $11.49 each. We have a $3 digital coupon. You'll pay $19.98. You're going to earn back a $5 extra buck for spending 15. Plus on Fetch Rewards, like you see over here, you're going to earn back $3 for spending 20. And $1.50 each, another $3, gives you $6 back on Fetch Rewards, makes them $4.49 a piece. So that is still a really good deal. That's over a 50% savings. Another deodorant deal is the Dove Whole Body Deodorant. They are buy one, get one half off, and buy 2, get a $2 extra back. So the best part is I have a 10 off 2 digital coupon. I do not have the 6 off 2, so kind of weird. Check your account, see what you have, and of course, update your breakdown. I'll pay $9.18, get back the $2 extra buck, plus on Fetch Rewards, there's $2 back each, gives you $4 back. Makes them $1.59 a piece, which is a really good deal. There's so many great deals on Fetch Rewards right now, so I highly recommend get that app downloaded if you haven't yet. It's super easy. I do have a full tutorial on how to use Fetch Rewards on my YouTube channel, so definitely check that out if you want more of a step-by-step process on how to use it. Another deodorant deal is on Degree. So what you're gonna do is grab 2 of the Ultra Clear. They are buy 2, get a $3 extra buck, and they're buy 1, get 1 half off. So grab 2 of them. I didn't see any coupons for this product, so double check, see if there's anything in the inserts. If you're using inserts, I'm all digital, so I'm not using anything from the newspapers. So you'll pay this out of pocket, or you can pay with extra bucks. You'll earn back a $3 extra buck. Then you're gonna submit to Ibotta for $2 cash back each, and Fetch Rewards again for 1,000 points back each, which is $2 back. Makes your final cost 71 cents per deodorant. That is a really good deal. I'm actually running low on deodorant, so I'm definitely gonna be grabbing this week. Axe body wash. It says any Axe body wash is buy 1, get 1 half off, buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. However, the digital coupon only works on the fine fragrance collection, so always make sure that you're double checking, scan the products in the store on the CVS app, make sure that it works with the digital coupons. So grabbing 2 after the coupon, you'll pay $4.73, earn back a $2 extra buck, makes them $1.36 a piece. Originally, they're $6.49. So that's probably like an 80% savings. That's a really, really good deal if that is a product that you use. Next, we have a couple hair care deals. So Garnier Fructis is buy 2, earn back a $2 extra buck, and they're on sale 2 for $8. Plus, everybody has a $4 digital coupon. That makes your final cost 2 for $2 or $1 a piece. $1 or less for this value of hair care, I personally think is a good stock-up price because that is 75% off. L'Oreal Elvive, they are buy 2, get a $6 extra buck. Check to see if you have any digital coupons. I checked my account. I personally do not have any. So I would pay the $10 out of pocket, get back a $6 extra buck, makes them $2 a piece. Colgate and Crest. We have some really good deals on oral care. This one is all digital, of course. There is a 5 off 2 digital coupon like you see right here, and their spend 10, get a $4 extra buck. So you'll pay $5.58, earn back the $4 extra buck, makes them 79 cents a piece. Now, stay tuned. I have a way of getting Scope and Crest for even cheaper using a specific CRT. So I'm gonna go over that in just a second. But if you wanna just do the Scope deal, you're gonna pay the $4.99 out of pocket. There's no coupons. Get back a $3 extra buck, makes it $1.99 for the 1 liter. So that's not a bad deal. The Crest Gum Detoxify, this is a really good deal because this is an expensive toothpaste. There is a 5 off 2 digital coupon that works on this type. You'll pay $12.98, get back a $5 extra buck, and there is a $2 cashback offer on Ibotta, but the limit is 1, so you're gonna get $2 back, not 4. Makes your final cost $2.99 a piece. So let's combine them together. If you have a 4 off 20 Crest and Oral Care CRT, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna do both of these deals in the same transaction. Total is $22.97. So we're over the $20 mark, so that CRT will work. You'll then use the 5 off 2 Crest and the 4 off 20 CRT. You'll pay $13.97, get back the $5 extra buck for the Crest and the $3 extra buck for the Scope, plus $2 back on Ibotta, makes them just $1.32 a piece. I still think that's a really good deal because this is the really expensive toothpaste. I mean, imagine paying $9 for a tube of toothpaste. No, thank you. But $1.32 is not a bad deal. Okay, here's where it gets amazing. We're gonna start talking about stacking, rebates, and rewards and how you can get the most bang for your buck. So we've already talked about Fetch Rewards. We've talked about using Ibotta. But on Ibotta, and I posted this on, let me move my face. I posted this on my Instagram stories this morning. There is a 6% cashback offer for in-store purchases. Make sure you click the plus sign and activate that. You're gonna earn back 6% on what you pay out of pocket, which is a really, really good deal. So regardless, you're gonna earn 6% back. Submit your receipts. Make sure you do that. Do not link your account. See how it says link account? Don't do that. Click submit receipt instead. That's the best way that I do it personally. And if you're new to Ibotta, here is my code. When you submit your first receipt, you're gonna get a $5 bonus on top of all the other cash back that you're gonna earn. So here's an example. If you do all the deals in this video, it's $158 worth of products. Now, not using extra bucks to pay to lower your out-of-pocket cost. Again, I do recommend it, but I don't know how many extra bucks you guys have, right? It's gonna be different for every single person. So assuming you're using no extra bucks, you'll pay $107.91, get back $48 in extra bucks, 6% cash back on Ibotta, $8 cash back from the different rebates that I showed you in this video. Fetch rewards, we're getting $16 back, makes your final cost less than $30 for all of those products, which is a crazy good deal. Now, of course, I always recommend splitting this up into at least 2 transactions so you can use the extra bucks you earned from your first transaction into your second transaction. So if you guys need help with learning how to find these deals, how to put together deals on products that you actually need and use every single day for your family, maybe you use specific brands, maybe you need some specific products, or hey, this week I need to stock up on paper products. How do I find some deals on that? I do have my Couponing 101 mini course. So you can grab that below in the description box. It's gonna give you step-by-step video tutorials teaching you exactly how to find the deals. It talks about coupons, how to stack them, all the rules, the whole 9 yards, so you can start saving 75% or more in the next 30 days. So that'll be below for you guys in the description box. Okay, one more thing that you can stack on top of Ibotta for more cash back. It's gonna be a rebate app called Flues. Now, Flues gives you cash back for buying digital gift cards, and you buy them, you get them instantly, so you can use them immediately. When you sign up with Flues, my link will be below for you guys in the description box, you're gonna get boosts, is what they call them, for 25% cash back. And look, featured boost, CVS, 25% cash back. So the maximum is the 25% back on a $10 gift card. So what you wanna do is buy 2 separate $10 gift cards. The second you buy the gift card, you get the cash back and you get the gift card. It's all digital, it'll be right on the Flues app. So they're gonna scan that barcode in store. That's what I do when I'm using Flues. You're gonna show it to them, they're gonna scan the barcode, they're gonna enter in the PIN number on their side, and then that's gonna cover the $10. Now you don't have to use it all in one transaction. You could use $1 and then next week, $2 off of that gift card. Whatever you wanna do is completely up to you. It stays on your account forever. But it's another way of earning cash back. So you'll earn back $2.95 per $10 gift card. So another way of just earning more cash back and stacking all of the possible savings, deals, rewards, the whole 9 yards on top of each other to make sure that you're getting the very best deals. So if you guys have any questions on any of these deals or cashback apps or anything like that, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button for me. And if you're not subscribed yet, click the subscribe button right here. That way you guys can subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.